How to log in DoorDash Dasher app. Now we are talking about the Dasher application, not the normal customer DoorDash app. So to log into your DoorDash Dasher account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the DoorDash Dasher application, and this is the type of interface that you should be able to see. Now here it says start delivering today and so on. Here you can tap on the Let's Dash option, and when you tap on the Let's Dash option, this is the type of interface you will see. The first thing is, of course, you can choose your country, which most of you are from the US because DoorDash is primarily from the US, where you can also go ahead and then make sure to enter your phone number right here. And once you make sure to enter your phone number, then after that you can tap on the continue button, verify the OTP code sent to your phone number. But you can also go ahead and then tap on login with email and password option right here, where you have to simply go ahead and enter your email address instead. Then select the password box and tap on the login button next to it. Now in case you happen to forget your password, as sometimes that you would, then you can tap on the reset password button. Just select the email where your DoorDash Dasher account was used to sign up with, tap on the reset password button. It will send a reset link to your email where you can simply go ahead and then simply search within your email whether or not you have received a DoorDash receive or reset email. And once you verify the email, you should be able to go ahead and then basically reset it as well. But to give you an idea, this is how you can log into the DoorDash Dasher app. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.